Good evening. My name is Giovanni. I want to present my final presentation. Mexico City, Lorenzo Servich became interested in the sweet bread business and very young age. His father set up the break El Molino in downtown Mexico City at the age of 27, together with his friends and family parents. Jaime Jorba, Jaime Sendra, Alfonso Velasco, and Jose Mata. They founded Bimbo in 1945. They got to the manufacture of boxed bread in succession attributed its energy but very human way of again. In addition to the fact that it's always handed itself congratulating the French expansion was made in 1946 to Puebla to follow its path to have a national presence with its arrival in Guadalajara in 1956, and 4 years later it opened its plant in Monterrey. Bimbo currently has 32 production plants and 15 countries in Central and South America. On the other hand, the Europe, Asia and Africa region comprises of 8 countries, Europa 4, in Asia and 2, in Africa is the market leader in Mexico City with a penetration on households in the capital. Bimbo leads the market in Mexico City with a penetration in the capital household. This brand what the most shows and the leading ranking is Coca-Cola. Bimbo's vision and mission are visions. By 2020, we transforming the parquet industry and expanding global leadership to better serve more consumers. Missions: delicious and nutrition for the hands on everyone. The pandemic caused the sale of essential products such as bread out of bag. In the beginning of March, on the supply of household berry food, the beginning on the preventive isolation. In the case of Bimbo, this product and tortillas have had good dynamic, however, impulse category have been affected. It's a good time a launch product than to be shared and consumed at home, aligned with the moment economy, household and the war and going through after every coming and pandemic. Thank you.